Hi, I didn't think I was going to be able to make my start of the garden video, so I thought I would give you an update on what little we have going on. We moved the fence to keep the chickens out of here and we electrified it now. This is my daughter's garden. We've got 3 rows of flowers and some cucumbers and a tomato. And then over here, I've just got some random stuff. Asparagus, a bunch of lettuces that aren't really coming up that well. The grapes doing good this year. Well, lots of these hatched out, but we do have some grapes. And then I planted cilantro and beets in here. The raspberries have been coming on real good. And then it's been so hot and dry that we had to water stuff. Nice little lettuce. And then some turnips. And then our okra. I pulled the garlic right here. That's in a box in the basement. And then got some strawberries right there. So, planted some marigolds and some fennel. And blueberries are doing alright. They're so tiny. Raspberries really do well here. I take you to the front yard. It's our little shade that we don't have trees in the backyard, so we put that up. It doesn't do well in the storms, we found out though. I tried planting potatoes in here, but I think they rotted instead of grow because none of them came up. But I do have some nice tomatoes here, all planted in old hay. They're doing good in this heat. And then my daughter planted some flowers. Oh, the ants are coming to get the sweet nectar. Alright, and then these are sweet potatoes. I got some compost thrown on those. And then we have some peppers here. Not sure how well these are going to do. It's just so hot. It's been 90 degrees for a couple weeks now. I haven't even gotten this planted. Not sure if I will. I'll maybe put fall crop in there. It's so late. So that's what's been going on here. We've been trying to make the most of staying at home and quarantine and all that. So it's not been fun. I'm sure a lot of you are feeling that too. But I've been taking the kids to the lake in the mornings when Kevin doesn't have to work and trying to do swimming lessons. And then just plan fun things like tomorrow they want to have a field day. And then one week they did like a camping couple of days. They did pretend camp in their bedroom and stuff. And then we had a pool party, like a water party one week. And then we have some other things planned. So we're trying to make it fun and just have fun memories this summer without being too miserable. So anyways, hope you're having a good week. Hope your garden is doing good. And I will talk with you on another video, which I'm sorry I haven't been able to make a lot lately, but it's just been really hectic with the baby and kids need me. So anyway, talk to you later. Bye.